All right, we're back at it again. We're doing another Ducati lost key replacement. This one's a blast from the past. This is a 2009 Ducati 1098. They send the dashboard, they send the ignition lock. So basically, plan of action, decode the lock, figure out what the cuts are, cut a couple keys, make sure they're working nice and smooth. Then go to phase two, which is chip programming, program the chips into the system, and that's it. When the customer get this back, it'll be plug and play. I'll come back with the keys cut and programmed. All right, we're back. This puppy's done. Here we go. Here's the key. On, off, lock the steering bolt, park. So if you need my help, give me a call. You're in lost key situation, give me a call. I'll tell you what to send me, how much it's gonna cost, how long it's gonna take. And those of y'all that call me and ask me why people in your area can't do this, a couple logical reasons. Maybe one, they don't get enough calls to justify buying the equipment. That would just be, a dumb business decision to spend a few thousand on equipment and you're not gonna get to use it. Two, maybe they don't know how to use the equipment. This is all specialized training. So, but if you need my help, you need me to get you back up and running, that's what I do. So I've been doing this stuff since 1990. I've been doing the Ducati transponder system since I want to say around 2001. My first one was the ST2, and I think that was a 2000. So that's about it. So I've been doing this for a minute. But go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup. I'll catch y'all on the next one. If you like the videos, like, subscribe, share. Catch y'all on the next one.